guys. We're here. He just fixed his trunk. We're about to do a muffler delete thanks to this guy right there.
Thanks to this guy.
I never really met someone that knew how to do it, but we're gonna do it tonight. Right,
It's probably like a ground for you.
My muffler.
It's probably a ground for you.
Get the wrong one.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna record later of how my new exhaust sounds before and after, so enjoy it right now. So yeah, it sounds so much better with the new muffler delete. Right now, me and my boy Johnny, we're about to pick up some coilovers for his R-Spec Veloster. We're in downtown Orlando right now. It's pretty lit. Look. You guys remember this Veloster? This is the one that we were supposed to get. But instead he went for a R-Spec. He wanted a cleaner platform. And a 370 Zenizmo stick shift. It belongs to Ricky. Super cool dude. I love this car. Hopefully I'll own one of these in the future.